Your website is often the first impression people get of your business. If it looks outdated, loads poorly, or does not clearly explain what you offer, potential customers may leave before contacting you. East Carolina Computers provides professional web design and web hosting services for businesses and organizations across Eastern North Carolina. We create clean, responsive websites that present your services clearly and work properly across desktop and mobile screens. We also provide reliable hosting, website support, updates, and practical guidance without unnecessary technical confusion. Our goal is simple. Build a website that represents your business, gives visitors clear information, and makes it easy for them to contact you. Your website should work for your business, not against it. Visit East Carolina Computers.com to learn more about web design and hosting services.